pardon me, what's my manners? Getting started before actually filming. Yeah, silver 4-cycle for replacement air filter. Use model. Why is that written right there? 4.5 horsepower. Yeah, I already checked like last 2 minutes. Fuel. That's actually, that alone is a nice find. Oil. Why won't we start? Probably gonna take that off and well, I have actual starting fluid, but must have. This will also work. Should I have grabbed this? No. Not really have any room, and people I live with look down on me doing that. Did I do it anyway? Yes. Yeah, that's an aftermarket thing. By the way, if I can, I'm definitely gonna try and get away with not putting any money into this, because yeah, I can't be bothered. Probably shouldn't be throwing that. Let me just. Alright, it ran after I can't really show you that because well, I only have 2 hands and I can't be bothered to. And actually, yeah, I do have phone holders, but they're not tall enough. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take. I wanna pinch the fuel first. Keep tapping on this. Well, it's only like 8 something in the morning, and I'm already doing all the snark. That I have collected my prize. Wasn't actually all that much. It's time for me to take the carburetor off, which kind of a dumb setup, isn't it? This shit. Probably. Do I have to? Taking the muffler off would probably be the easiest. This shit. Anyway, let me mess with this. Alright, so I don't think, well, at least they're definitely not clogged now. I put that on before putting it together. Tecum's Products Co. So, yeah, for anyone who wants to look at that. Lawn Boy Incorporated. Honestly, I thought this was an electric lawnmower at first, and I was excited that, and I was kind of like, yes, someone threw out an electric lawnmower. Finally, I don't have to pay for gas to mow the lawn, but no. Well, I guess you could say nothing against gas equipment. These are neat, but they heat the atmosphere up, and I don't like paying for gas. Nobody likes paying for gasoline. Nobody. So yeah, let me put this back together. No spinning on the thing, but yeah, there is cracks forming, but yeah, it's doing the thing. What if I should probably just list this up. Oh, hot already. List this up somewhere for like $5. Well, if I don't do that, maybe I should try pissing with this to put in economy mode. Yes, I think this is self-propel. Is it self-propel? There's supposed to be stuff in there. I have it in the cap. I have it over there. this have a... It does. Alright. This... I don't know. When I said I'm gonna try and, like, not put as little money, try and not put any money into this, I fucking meant it. But the important bit is that it has white petroleum jelly, so that's the important bit. Probably just, yeah, the grease in here is gray, which does that mean there's like essentially metal filings in it? For this, I'm going to actually take the automatic transmission fluid. I can't do this one-handed. Take the automatic transmission fluid and a brush, and yeah, do that. This is ridiculous. The shenanigans I'm doing. The nasty shenanigans. Doing threads. And we do that, well, I do that to the other three wheels. Well, the front one's just the axle, so it'll be easier. And there we go. Let it dry out and stuff. Ooh, easy 4-in-1 system. Side bag, rear bag, mulching, side discharge. Yeah, I had the bag thing on. Why do people bag? I don't know. The self-propel doesn't work. I've tried actually going in here and like, yeah, and it will engage. And it kind of like sometimes lunches forward a bit before that's why it's pissed the oil in the engine off, but not sure what's happening here. The belt's still there. I'm guessing the transmission itself is busted. Oh well. It's not all that difficult to push up the hill and stuff, so freebie.